case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1988, the Wisconsin Supreme Court presided over the intriguing case of State v. Stewart, which questioned the intricacies of what constitutes a guilty verdict in count of attempted robbery. The case pivoted on the concept that, for an act to be classified as an attempted robbery, the accused must not only demonstrate an unequivocal intent to commit the crime, but also demonstrate actions led by this intent that render it unlikely for them to reverse course. In the eye of this legal storm was Walter Lee Stewart, who was initially slapped with a guilty verdict for attempted robbery, a decision that was later turned on its head by the Court of Appeals. Unfazed, Stewart launched an appeal, arguing that the three-pillared evidence served against him, intent that was allegedly insufficiently proven, a supposed attempt at robbery, and theories on voluntary abandonment, each failed to hold water. The spotlight was then shown upon vital pieces of evidence and argument to ascertain whether they could tip the legal scales. These included an assertion that Stewart, wielding a gun, had demanded money aggressively, thus seemingly sealing his intention to commit robbery. The court was tasked with determining if Stewart had truly inched far enough on the path to committing the crime, or if the suggestion of voluntary abandonment could act as a shield against the charges. In a twist that turned the tables, the court found the evidence against Stewart compelling enough to uphold his initial conviction for attempted robbery. They justifying this by deeming Stewart's actions as a clear attempt at the crime, while dismissing the idea of voluntary abandonment as a feasible defense. In the aftermath of this riveting legal spectacle, the court's decision served as a spotlight on the requirements for a crime attempt. It also underscored the weight of sufficient evidence in deciding whether an accused's actions to commit a crime had gone beyond mere intent and preparation, galvanizing other courts to approach similar cases with sharpened scrutiny.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of class.